I've never seen this map before.
What? I guess I'll
Do you
go
know
on.
anything about what they normally play?
If we're gonna attack, I think Lucio is better here than Sen, honestly. Or even Lucio.
Yeah, you can do that. I'm
Because it's a lot. There's a lot of places where we can speed boost through.
Never stop
Did you give up on Farah, Guilty? Are you a Hanzo main now?
Hanzo's just better for picks right now. He's like a really solid hero.
Yeah.
Also combos
Yep.
with Zarya.
Yeah, but to be fair, everything combos with Zarya.
Nothing quite as well as
real.
Dragon though.
Yeah. Like that dragon
Barrage
Zarya
is
ult,
still fine though.
but they
You
can
can get
Matrix
picked out of it.
Get moved.
Yeah,
get
with
killed. Dragon is just a far range toss.
that's true.
You can be behind a wall to throw it.
Yeah, that is actually pretty
I'm
cool.
gonna go top right.
Let's see what they have, but I guess yeah, we can try to go high ground, right side.
Shooting in 3, 2, 1.
They're running dive defense. Monkey and
Right there, right there. We had him shield.
Alright, do we have any?
Monkey leap.
Oh, who's down there? 2 people drop? Okay.
Dropping.
Keep his half.
And
keep his half.
Hunter right there, Hunter right there.
is that a mag? Fair down. You have mag mag.
It's just the diva.
And Zentor. Right?
Then. Anna.
Oh god, that's that. Monkey?
Enemy contact.
Yes, fine, then.
Shit.
I'm on fire.
Pushing. We just do one on cart.
I'll stay on card.
Securing the payload. It hasn't been minutes.
Whoa.
Nice.
Oh, they waited that note. Okay, whenever you are ready, it's fun.
Alright, got it.
Oh, there's one in it.
Oh whoa. Whoa.
Word.
Monkey.
Why is the monkey die?
He's leaving.
Monkey on point.
He ate the full dragon and still survived.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Oh, you're in the bubble. Monkey blow?
Oh, does bubble not? Does bubble cancel out your
Monkey bubble, not Zarya bubble.
Yeah, but monkey bubble it doesn't like
Yeah,
that.
block
Send
one,
left
yeah.
side.
Down barrier.
Genji above us.
You mean Hanzo? There is no Genji.
There is a Genji, I thought.
I'm down. Pharaoh's right there. Half.
Oh, then maybe Hanzo. That was weird.
Monkey leap.
Monkey's low.
Ow. There
Oh,
is.
too many of them over there.
Watching your back.
Let me give us the right side.
Alright, low.
Just pushing cart. Minerva.
Wiki death.
Monkey actually knows how to do some advanced moves with Monkey. Like a short jump. Not something you normally see.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Shield.
Get back in.
Hey, Monkey. Give that mic.
Don't drag it, that one.
Too late.
There's only one person there.
I used my dragon.
Bastion. I will kill the death. I can't kill him.
Lights out.
Bastion.
Oh, my bad.
That's fine. That's fine.
Tough arrow.
Yeah, the Bastion with no...
This monkey got me.
It's probably
Backing out. Weird and shield.
I've come back from
Alright, I'm back.
Alright, I think we're here. Alright. Pushing in. Hold me. Hitting
on
Devon.
the left.
Bastion up top.
Bastion top right.
You're powered up.
Devon
Get in there.
is moving.
Shit.
Oh, I got it. It's okay, you can win this.
Bastion's almost dead. Might be able to kill Bastion. Yeah, I got him.
On Hanzo.
Bring your shield down, just kill him, yeah.
Monkey.
Give us one point.
On Diva.
Bedtime. I will keep you healed.
I'm Minida. Minida on point.
I got slapped. That was flanking.
I got three.
Nice, yeah.
Hanzo.
Monkey.
Moving with the payload.
Score 3-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your
So where do you want to hold?
Yeah, so my aim is like not up to par right now, so we're probably gonna need a bit of Farah. Yeah, I walked onto him, guilty. That's just why he, but yeah,
Like Reinhardt and.
yeah, I mean, I think at least a Zen
Never
for
stop fighting for what you
for
believe.
the Farah, and then I'm gonna see.
attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
There's nothing I haven't seen before. Stick together. We will complete our mission.
You know the person?
No.
They're talking to you?
No, but we had a small exchange. Where like, I was flanking and she slapped me.
Yeah,
and I thought I was going to
you were
die.
like, she slept me, and I walked over.
Guys, there's like a Reinhammer inflatable here. I've
I
never
have a
seen
question.
this.
Is that Mr. Shellbach or Mrs. Hillback?
Or
Be watching your back.
Marshall Bach.
Yeah, actually, it could be Marshall Bach.
Holding just right side.
Alright, we're all on the left.
They're all on me. Ah! Help!
Yeah, you shouldn't.
I know. I'm sorry.
Rick is low, Rick is down.
Are they running goats? Sounds like they're running goats.
I was like, yeah, they're
Yeah,
really
they're
good.
good.
running
It's
It's like a,
Maybe Farah would be nice instead of Hanzo.
We're taking high ground. Or can we contest?
I think we can contest.
Are we contesting?
Oh, what the heck? How are we contesting?
I don't know.
I think.
No, forget it. Move out.
Forget it. Back out.
Wanna play Pharaoh?
Picking up.
Yeah, Farah would be nice. All right. I was totally out of position there. Sorry about that. Let's reset this.
Maybe it's Marshall back. Like Marshall.
Yeah, falling back from there.
No, not this far. Not this far.
We don't need to go that far back.
Let's go. Yeah.
Fluff is coming soon.
We're
and-
right here.
Yeah, here.
Alright, hold the corner.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Hold me.
Pocket right.
Ryan's discorded.
One's up.
Hello? Sorry, discorded.
Then
Demon discorded.
We're up 2 or 2.
Down. Lucio.
Baby Diva discorded.
On brick, brick. Brick dead.
Baby Diva on point.
Probably shouldn't have killed her actually. Not bad.
It's fine
I
because
think-
the payload moves back a little bit, and that's actually good. So if she had stayed on it,
Right,
we
I have
would've-
shatter for this fight. I'm gonna flank that. Get away with it.
They're probably gonna see you, but try it.
Yeah, I don't have line of sight on you for the record. Be aware.
Right.
Nice half. Use ult.
I got.
Nice.
Oh no!
No, 4 kills. That's crazy. Let's go
Also
back.
Regroup, regroup. We have time, we have time.
Wow, that bomb.
I like gimmicky.
Push forward, push forward.
Pushing, pushing, pushing.
Going here. I have a bastion now.
No way.
I'm gonna nano you.
Okay.
Bastion set up in the pylon
You're
area.
powered up. Get in there.
Okay, maybe a little much.
Yeah, I think that was I think that was a trifecta.
More in like
Destroyed them.
Oh, that's a nice dagger actually.
Good stagger. Yeah, we might be low in ults.
Flemmy, what are you doing?
Yeah, I have no line of sight to
This
you,
guy
man.
was just walking to me.
What?
Oh, here I
Flemmy,
come.
no!
Well,
Pick up.
he's out of his position. Never mind. He's
I have
back.
a Reaper now. Drop bastion.
That's good.
Alright, low.
Deep slow to the left. I've shattered. Hey, Rupert, Rupert.
That's Baby Diva.
Yeah, fight something. Baby Diva.
He's discorded.
Oh, I should have let him back up.
Nah, it better not. She can just fly away after that.
I have a Hanzo now, they drop Reaper.
I've shattered for this fight. So I'll do the same thing, like shatter.
They're coming.
Going high
They're
ground.
coming high
Yeah,
ground.
they're going on high ground.
You're going high ground?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm dropping.
They're dropping on our Reaper.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm Reaper, right?
Sorry, real low.
I got shoot that.
I didn't have nade.
On the left side in the cafe.
Got him. Unnecessary.
Necessary.
Keep out of my way.
We have a lot of ults.
Get back in.
I can throw my ults randomly. It's okay.
There's still 2 minutes though.
Yeah, I don't see an ult combo here.
I'm almost there.
I mean, I guess other than like nano.
We just spam all the ults at once. It's an unbeatable combo.
That's what we did, and we all got our ult back.
He was discorded.
Diva.
Someone discorded back
Fight
there.
one. You gonna put him up?
Thank you.
Love that fight one call out.
Right, fall back.
Big.
Go. I'll keep you healed.
I don't have line of sight.
This is so good.
60 seconds.
Come back. On back point.
Pushing right forward again.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Oh, he didn't get anybody. Oh, sweet
Oh.
mushroom. Thank you.
Nice.
Oh my god.
That was so stairs.
PM.
Can I throw my ult?
Get here.
Get healed.
30 seconds remaining.
You have a Widow now.
Their time is running out. Push them back.
Oh shit!
After Ryan.
Oh, he was trying to get me.
I require healing.
Oh god.
I need healing.
Here.
We just have one ult.
Yeah. And Mayo.
He was real low.
You get the hit it up.
We lost one. I don't know who we lost.
Okay, there's a lot of them are dead.
I lost 3. Moira?
I'm trying to keep you alive.
I'm trying. to figure out how you got a double charge.
Narnia dragon.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Okay. Can you
More behind you guys.
right.
Scary, slow moving dragon.
Next one is assault.
Play of the game.
Oh, this was the four kill diva for sure.
They're all on the ground.
And then we all died. Damn.
You know what happened? We had a nice flank shatter, but no shield.
What have we done?